What's up, Trading Expert Squad? I have been back here with another video. Here's a couple tips to help you facilitate the training program process. All right. Tip number one is GroupMe. So GroupMe is actually the communication app that we use to answer lessons through the programs that we then move you up through the next levels, yada, yada, yada. You know the deal. I had someone the other day actually tell me that they couldn't do the program because it was a little too difficult to do it on the phone. You know, most people, they find us through social media, so they download the GroupMe app after they sign up and they start doing the lessons through their phone. But it can get a little annoying because the screen is kind of small and you might not want to be reading the program from your phone. So I explained to them that you can actually go on the internet and go to groupme.com and you can sign in, and then you got it right here on your computer. So you got the programs on your computer and you can type up everything you need right on your computer. I know, seems kind of simple, but I blew their mind. So hopefully that can help somebody. Next step, okay? When you're on TradingView and you're looking at charts, and in the lesson it asks you to post a chart, send a screenshot of a chart. Instead of having a billion pictures on your phone of charts, you can actually take screenshots directly from your computer. What? Again, I know this might seem kind of obvious for some people, but for others, it might be super helpful. So here's what I do. I use Google Chrome, which probably most people use as well. And I actually have an extension on there called Awesome Screenshot. So you can see that up here in the top right corner. What you actually want to do to download this is you want to press the little extensions icon in the top right corner, and you can actually go to manage extensions and you can search up Awesome Screenshot and you'll find it, download it, super easy, and then it'll be right here in the top right corner of your screen. So what this actually allows you to do is when you're on a chart, you click your little Awesome Screenshot icon, then you can click, you have three options. So I usually go with the selected area, and then you can just take this, copy the whole thing, or whatever you want to copy. You can click copy here, and then you can go right over to GroupMe. You can click paste, and you got it right there, and then you can send it. So this gives you a nice clean image that you can actually save for yourself, and it's also a lot easier for us to see what you're looking at instead of having some blurry picture from your phone. Step number 3 is indicators. So in one of our lessons, you do start to learn about what indicators we use. We like to keep it super simple, right? We have our volume at the bottom and we have our moving averages. Now, for those of you that are using a free version of TradingView, you only have a total of 3 indicators that you can put without having to pay extra to get more. So we actually like to use 5 moving averages. So obviously you can't put 5 moving averages if you only have 3 indicators available. However, we do have a little loophole around this. If you go to the indicators tab at the top left area and you actually search for 5X SMA, right here, you'll see it. It's by Lincoln Devine, which, shout out Lincoln, he's actually in our alpha chat. So shout out to him for making this a long time ago. I've been using this for years. I had no idea it was him, so thank you. You want to just click this, you want to add it to your screens, and it should kind of come up something like this, right? You'll get like 3-4 lines if it's a newer chart, but if it's an older one, you get 5 lines. And then what you can do is actually double click on one of them and your settings will come up. This is what I use. I use the 8, 21, 50, 100, and 200. And they're each a different color, so it's easy to spot. And that way, this is all 5 moving averages into one indicator, so you're not taking up all of your indicator space. So those are 3 tips that I hope will help you, and see you in the next video.